Hello, Westwood Charter Elementary School, welcome back. We're going to do a little locomotor movement lesson today. So this lesson is going to be great for my TK, kinder, first grade. After that, it's probably not going to be too suitable for you. So yeah, we're just going to be working on some different movements. Hopping, skipping, jumping, all kinds of stuff. 7 or 8 different locomotor movements that we're going to do. And that'll be our lesson for today, okay? But like I said, TK, kinder first, this is for you. The rest of you can probably bypass this one, all right? But let's get started by warming up, all right? So like we always do, remember we gotta stretch out and warm up before we exercise or do some physical activity, okay? So let's do our Flamingo Stretch. Hold your earlobe, 10 seconds, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remember, if you're about to fall over, just put your foot down so you don't fall over, okay? Let's do our washing machines. All right, 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Shake it out. Shake it out. Let's touch our toes, or try to touch your toes. Count to 10. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Let's do some jumping jacks. Let's do 20 jumping jacks. All right. Make your X to your I. All right. Start with an I. Make an X. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right. There we go. Let's do our little butterfly thing. All right. So squat down. Put your knees, hands here, and you're gonna take your elbows and push your knees out like that, all right? Not too far or too hard, but you should feel a stretch right here, all right? 10 seconds, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Shake out your legs. Let's lean to the right. 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. And let's just do 20 scissor kicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right. Last one. Let's do our camel stretch, okay? Make that camel hump. 10 seconds, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. All right, little munchkins, listen up. We're gonna go over some movements, all right? There's a couple I'm not gonna go over because I feel like we already know it. But I'm gonna distinguish between a few things. So walking, we all know how to walk, right? You guys have been doing it for a long time. I'm pretty sure we know how to walk, and I don't need to go over how to walk, okay? But I will say this, walking, the next step up from that would be jogging, okay? So a jog, we know how to jog, all right? So when we jog, it's just a light, easy run, okay? We're not exerting ourselves too much, all right? So we're just a nice light run, and Running, we move a little faster, we go a little faster, and sprinting is when we run as fast as we can, okay? So a sprint is you're gonna run as fast as you can, okay? And we're gonna work on a sprint right now, okay? So that's our first one. We're gonna work on how to sprint, basically how to run fast, okay? But what I need you guys to do is get a shirt, put it here, take another shirt, and put it right here, you know? You boys and girls are tiny, so you might not need that much space, but just give yourself some space that you can run from shirt to shirt, so we can do these movements, okay? So when we run, boys and girls, couple things. Just you want to keep your arms tucked into your body. You don't want them all out here flailing around like this, and you want to bring your knees up, okay? Not too high, not up here, but get those knees moving and get those arms pumping, okay? And make sure your arms are tight into your body. Like I said, we don't need them like a chicken out here, all right? Or flailing all over the place, okay? We want our body nice and tight together, okay? So we're gonna do about 4 sprints from shirt to shirt. And here we go. It's gonna look like this. Ready? When I say go, run as fast as you can. Next shirt. Ready? Go. Watch. Back. Okay. See my arms moving like this? They're nice and tight to my body, and my knees are pumping. All right. Once again. All right. All right. So, thanks. Remember, when you're running, keep your arms in, get those arms pumping, get your knees going, okay? Like I said, don't have your arms flailing all over the place, all right? And that is a run, okay? How we run, how we sprint. All right, so the next one we're gonna do is, we're gonna learn how to skip, all right? Skipping is, you're gonna hop on one foot and land on that same foot, okay? So you're gonna, as soon as you land, you're gonna bring this foot down, and now you're gonna hop off that foot and land on that foot, bring this one down, and you're gonna continue that way, okay? So, when you skip, hop on one foot. When that foot lands, you quickly bring down the other one, and then you're gonna jump off that one. All right, once again, so you can see me. All right, so jump off one foot, land on that same foot, then you take a quick step down with your opposite foot. You're gonna jump off that one and land on that one, and you're gonna continuously do that, okay? So it'll look like this, skipping, okay? Watch. Again. Okay, make sure you bring that knee up one more time. Alright, so that is how we skip. Alright, remember, our arms are a big part of when we do these movements, okay? So make sure you're pumping those arms when we do it, okay? And yeah, that's how we skip, alright? Just remember, you're landing on the same foot, bringing your opposite foot down, and then jumping off that one, okay? Alright, what else we got here? Hopping, all right? We're gonna do hopping. Hopping we do on our same foot, all right? So we're just gonna hop on one foot. We're gonna push off, land on our toes, and just keep doing that, okay? So a hop would look like this. Remember, get your arms pumping, all right? This is a hop. gonna do with my other foot. All right, so hopping, we're simply jumping off our foot, landing on our toes, pumping our arms, and then jumping again. And we're doing all that on the same foot, all right? One more time. Put your right foot down. And backwards. I'm sorry, back the other way. Okay. Excuse me. We can also practice hopping backwards, okay? So we can do that jumping backwards like this. This is good for your balance too, okay? Still landing on our tippy toes. And back. All right, man, coach is getting winded over here. I'm out of shape. I need to get back into it, huh? All right, so that's hopping, boys and girls. Jumping on one foot, landing on your toes. And we can practice doing that one frontwards and backwards, okay? Next one we're gonna do is jumping, all right? So jumping, when we jump, we put both our feet together. We're jumping off 2 feet. And we're jumping forward. Once again, landing on your tippy toes, okay? All right. Make sure to pump those arms to get your body moving forward, all right? So, the only difference between this and hopping is we're using 2 feet and our feet are together, okay? So, jumping, just like this. Bend your knees too to get you forward, all right? So we can spring up. Bring those arms, ready? Feet together. All right, go back. All right, just remember you're landing on your tippy toes. Using your arms to pump you forward, springing off our legs, all right? We can do that one sideways also. All right, so, whew, sideways. And go back. See me how I'm taking my arms and I'm using my arms to help move my body, okay? And that one is jumping. Wow, I didn't know this lesson was going to be so tiring. Hope you guys aren't tired yet, or as tired as me. All this jumping, it's a pretty good workout. All right, that was jumping, so just remember, keep your feet together. Knees together. We're jumping off 2 feet, okay? Galloping, all right? How many people have seen a horse run? I've seen a horse run. Have you? Galloping are what horses do, okay? When you gallop, we're just putting one foot forward and we're bringing our back foot to that front foot, stepping forward, back foot to the front foot, and we're repeating, okay? So, this, here, this, here, this, here. Look more like scooting. All right. So when we gallop, just putting one foot in front of the other, you're bringing the back foot to your foot that's in front of you, taking that same front foot, moving it forward, and repeating the steps, okay? So always one foot in front, all right? And you can switch your feet, gallop with your left foot in front one time, and then gallop with your right foot in front the other time, like this. This is a gallop. Still pumping our arms. All right, let me do it with my opposite foot. Again. All right. And that is a gallop, kids. Exactly how horses run, okay? Like I said, you're just bringing one foot to your front foot and repeating, okay? All right, so moving right along here. Sidestepping, okay? Sidestepping. We do a lot of sidestepping in basketball. I forgot to tell you, kids, that all these movements are beneficial for when we play sports. So if you get good at all these locomotor moves, it's going to benefit you when you play whatever, soccer, basketball, baseball, all the sports we play, tag. You're gonna be able to be more successful if we get these movements down, okay? So don't think it's boring just doing this. Know that it's for your own good, and if you get good at all these movements, all right, it's going to totally benefit you in all the sports that we're going to play at school, okay? So sidestepping, especially sidestepping, is we're going to step side to side, okay? We're going to bend our knees, body straight, and we're going to slide one foot to the other, okay? So kind of like a gallop, when we slide that back foot to our front foot. When we're sidestepping, we're going to slide this foot to this, and then so it'd be like shh, shh. We're just going sideways, okay? Remember to keep your knees bent, back straight, and try to stay on your toes, okay? So sidestepping. Hands out. Ready? All right, so sidestepping. You do that in basketball a lot when you're playing defense and you're trying to get the ball or guard your opponent, okay? And remember, foot to foot, move it, foot comes back to your other foot, and repeat it, okay? That one we're going sideways, okay? I think we got one more. Whew. All right, last one is leaping, okay? When we leap, we jump off one foot and then land on our opposite foot. So I'm gonna leap off my right foot and land on my left foot, and we're gonna jump as far as we can, okay? We're not landing on 2 feet, and we're not jumping off 2 feet. Jumping off one foot, landing on your opposite foot, okay? Leaping, if you ever see the Olympics, they do the long jump. That's a leap, all right? They do the triple jump, where they do 3 leaps, all right? So, once again, jump off your right foot, land on your left foot, or vice versa, jump off your left and land on your right, all right? And I'm gonna do it all the way there. So look like this. Here we go. Again. All right, so we're jumping as far as we can. Ready again. And as you can see, I'm pumping my arms to help move me forward, okay? Man, I cannot believe how tired I am. So hopefully this is a good workout for you guys too. And that was it. So that was our leap, all right? So let's review real quick. Number 1, a walk, we know how to walk. Number 2, the jog, a light run, okay? And then we sprint. And when we sprint, we what? We run as fast as we can. Remember, keep those arms tucked in. Get those arms pumping and get those legs moving, okay? If you're taller, you might want to take longer strides in your step, because you have longer legs. If you're a little shorter, you might want to take tinier steps in between, okay? So whatever feels comfortable with you should be how you should run, but just make sure we get our arms tucked in and we pump those arms, okay? And that was running, so don't forget. I'm sorry, that was sprinting, all right? And then skipping, remember, you're jumping off one foot, landing on the same foot, jumping off the other to repeat. Hopping, you hop on one foot, all right? Jumping, you're jumping off 2 feet, knees together. Remember, pumping our arms and landing on 2 feet. Galloping, that's how horses run. Remember, 1 foot forward, bring that back foot to that foot, move it forward again. Sidestepping, stepping to the side, moving over, stepping to the side. Do that a lot in basketball. And then the last one was leaping, okay, where we're just jumping off 1 foot and landing on the opposite foot, and you're jumping as far as you can, okay? So there are 7 to 8 movements we have learned. Practice all of those, so when we get back to school, you guys are going to be rock stars at PE, okay? All right, see you, little ones.